Hi, this is Miss K. In today's video, I'll show you how to translate text using Google Lens on your Android device. To get started, open the Google app, Google Lens app, or your camera app if Google Lens is built in. Tap the Google Lens icon, then select the translate mode at the bottom of the screen. Point your camera at the text you want to translate. Google Lens will automatically detect the language and display the translated text on your screen in real time. If needed, tap the language options at the top to choose the source and target languages manually. You can also translate text from an existing photo by tapping the gallery icon and selecting an image from your device. Google Lens will scan the text and display the translation instantly. If you want to copy the translated text, simply tap copy and paste it wherever you need. And that's it, you've successfully translated text using Google Lens. Happy watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.